I like to take off about that much. If you cut it too low, the beet starts to bleed out. So we're gonna kind of keep it intact here. Same with a little piggy tail. We got some foil here. This is the grill stuff. I've quadruple plied this here just so the coals don't just char the heck out of the beets. And we're gonna put a little olive oil down first. And then what we're gonna do is take this beautiful orange, and that's gonna be our really nice barrier between the coals and the beets. And we're just gonna simply season those guys with a little bit of olive oil, salt, of course. And then we're gonna go right up on top and around the orange. So a little hole for the steam to escape is fine. And now we're gonna drop it right inside the coals. Beautiful. So let's get started on our vinaigrette first, which is gonna be kind of a cool one. We're gonna do a little shallot in there. Then we're gonna take some of our lavash. So we're gonna peel the stem here, really fine on these guys here. And this is gonna add just a kind of a cool flavor and crunch. So that goes in with the shallot. And then we're gonna go ahead and macerate with a touch of our vinegar here. 3 caps. A little tab of mustard here, about 1 tablespoon. So we got our lemon here. We're gonna save the zest, and then I'm gonna use the juice for the vinaigrette. So we're gonna go half a lemon. And then a touch of our maple syrup, tablespoon. What we're also gonna do here is take some of this beautiful mint. And if you haven't had mint in a salad dressing before, please try it. It is beautiful. And now we're gonna thicken it with our Meyer lemon olive oil. A real slow little stream here. See what we got going on here. That lavage is so interesting. Please try it. It's unbelievable. We're gonna move into the grill and check on our beets. Hopefully they're not burned. Oh, they're perfectly done. So I'm gonna just close these guys up. I'll show you how to peel them very easily in a second. Now we're gonna prep our carrots for the grill, just off at the ends here. We're gonna chuck them into the bowl here, and we're gonna give them a little bit of olive oil, a little salt, a little pepper. Give them a toss. I'm gonna set those aside for a second, and we're gonna work on our peas here. We're just gonna julienne them here like really thin, just like a little angel hair pasta, if you will. But what we're also gonna do is some more mint and some of the lavash. Just kind of whack it up there a little bit and fire it in. Then we're gonna go in with a little bit of olive oil. We're gonna do half of our lemon. And what's really gonna soften these guys up is some salt. A little bit of pepper in there. Small amount of vinegar, not even a teaspoon there. We're gonna slide that over and put our carrots right on the grill. Don't go in there, I told you not to go in there. So now our carrots are just barely kissed by these coals, just softened really. The sweetness is sort of intensified here with a little bit of cooking, but they're still got a beautiful crunch to them. A cute little trick for getting the skins off the beets is you just put them in the towel like this and just move them around a little bit, and that skin just pops right off. And you still don't lose a lot of that roasted beet flavor. We're just gonna quickly do that with the other guys here. Look at that, perfect. So now we have this beautiful spinach. So that's gonna be our base for this salad. Just a touch of olive oil, just a touch of salt and pepper. We're gonna slice up some radishes here. Just a couple of those cute guys on there. We're gonna sprinkle those around, place those beets. Finish off with this beautiful dressing, and that's gonna kind of trickle down into that spinach. Then we're gonna garnish, not with real dirt, but these beautiful mustard green flowers. This is just red frilly, the tops of red frilly mustard. And then we're gonna do these candy sweet little Johnny jump ups, super cute. I should have been a florist. Late to the party here, we have our beautiful carrots, just strewn about. We have grilled carrots, orange roasted beets, julienne snow pea, and mustard green salad with a little bit of spinach to finish.
Beautiful.
Check it out. This is all your stuff.
gorgeous.
Yeah, I would do the beet first, or maybe the carrot. I don't even know. Or just start stuffing everything into your face because I'm so excited about eating all of it.
Oh, that's so
Get
nice.
that lavage in there? It's kind of crazy, no?
I love the lavage.
I do too. And we've been so rude. This is Erica and Ken, the masters behind Full Circle Farm. These guys, awesome. Thanks for having us.
Oh, thanks for
Oh my God, yeah,
making,
please.
putting the icing on the top.
Of course.